Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a demo and review on Voila. This tool is like a Chrome extension or any Chromium browser extension that you can use similar to ChatGPT. I think this tool could be really good in terms of improving your productivity because when you're working with ChatGPT or any other AI content writers that doesn't have a plugin, you'll need to you need to switch the tabs back and forth with the AI writing assistant, and voila, it's going to be just on your browser. So as long as you're within the browser, then this tool is going to help you write any sort of creative writing. So let's just have a look at their website. So I'm going to see where they are. You can see they've got more than 100,000 visits per month, which is good. Bounce rate is quite high, so I'm not sure why that's the case. So let's continue scrolling down. So use ChatGPT on any website, improve your writing, get answers to all your questions, draft high quality content, response to email all in one place. So you can create high quality content as long as you're in your browser that I've mentioned. I think one of the features they have is the Gmail integration. So once you're inside an email, you can just hit reply and click on the Voila button, and it will help you generate a response with a few simple bullet points from your end. So we'll do that demo shortly after the intro. And then you can ask questions, highlight any text. So for example, I just need to highlight this, and then you can see on my bottom right, it says Control-Shift-M. This is my preference. I think for Mac, it's the Command-M. Regular Windows is just Control-M, but I want it to be a bit more unique. So it's Control-Shift-M for me. So once I hit that, it'll say the actions for Experience the Magic, because I've selected these words. So you know that they're working with this one. So I can say improve writing. So that's the output. And if you like it, you can copy it. If you don't like it, you can hit regenerate. So that's as simple as how Voila can be used. So looking at the Voila pricing, they've actually got a free tier. You don't have to pay for anything. No credit card required. You'll get 250 free requests, and that's all you get. It's not like a it's not a 250 requests per month, and then it'll get resetted. It's only 250. That's all for one account. If you're going to pay for this tool, then $8 per month, you get 3,000 requests. It'll auto-select the GPT 3.5/4 on their own. And you pay the ultimate price, then it's unlimited requests. For those who watches my channel, you know that I do like to go through AppSumo to see if they've got any sort of discount pricings. So if you're interested to see the discount pricing, click the link down below, which I'll show you the AppSumo Voila their offering. So you can see it's $29 for their license tier 1. If we scroll down, tier 1 actually will give you 2,000 requests per month, auto AI model 3.5 GPT-4. That will be similar to the premium, which is this one. And then the Voila Ultimate is most likely the tier 2. So unlimited requests, ability to select the AI model. So you can always choose the GPT-4, but I'm assuming there will be a limit because that's just how OpenAI is limiting the usage of GPT-4, because how much the compute power is consuming. So I think if you're just a daily user, just need to get things done, probably the tier 1, $29 is pretty good, because that 20,000 requests per month, I think that's a lot already. Unless you do everything on Voila, then you might need more than 2,000, and you want to use GPT-4, then I suggest you can go with the 119 tier 2 model. But I think tier 1 can already get you most of the work done. So let's jump into the actual tool. So the first one I want to show you is the email part, because I think that's one of the very useful tool. So here I've got an email. Some other companies are asking me to do some sort of partnership invitation. So it's like asking me, do you want to do some videos? I can give you some credits to do. So let's say if I am interested, all I have to do is hit the reply button. And then you notice there is the voila, respond with voila. So I can click on it and you can see it says reply to this particular sender, which is the actual sender. So let's say I'm happy, I want to work with him. Then I'll say, yes, how can I help to create video? How can I get the credits for doing a demo? You can choose the tone, right? Default, casual, formal, creative, urgent. I'll go for casual. And if you want the output in different languages, you can choose the different language output. But I think you have to choose, there's only one, but you can specify the output in different language in the prompt as well. So going back into Gmail, sorry. And then you can see the chat history. And then what's this? This is the emoji. Oh, that's just leaving reply response. That setting, and then I think this is for you to maximize the pop-up button, which I don't think I need it. So let's get rid of this. Correct my spelling, and then hit enter to generate a response to this email. But this seems to be not correct for some reason, because this is the sender and it should be my voice. So let me get another example. All right, so this time it worked. So look at, I said, interested in your tool, let me know how to get started. So it wrote back to the sender and saying, thank you for reaching out and offering the opportunity to create a video about your unique AI content tool. I am definitely interested in learning more and getting started. Can you please provide me the necessary steps to begin? Looking forward to hearing back from you. So if I like this one, I can just hit copy and insert, and then everything will be pasted in this portion. If you need to make any tweaks, you can do it here, but I think the more customized the prompt could be, the better it is. They actually have the sender's name as my own email signature, so there might be some bugs going on, but I think primarily it will work. So if you have a lot of emails you want to reply quickly and you want to be more professionally done, then this Voila Chrome plugin extension will help you quite a bit. So what else can you use Voila for? So you can use Voila to make replies in social media platforms. So I'm currently in LinkedIn. Let's say I found this post very interesting and I want to write a reply. So all I have to do is select all the text and then hit Shift Control M in my case, and then write a response back on how I appreciate his views. So this is what the output. Thank you for sharing your honest experience as a Tesla intern. I appreciate you taking the time to provide a unique perspective and breaking down your thoughts and offer advice and your authentic experience. It takes a great courage to share one's personal experience, and your insights can be valuable to others who may consider pursuing an internship at Tesla. Your contribution is highly appreciated. And then you can further tailor make the prompt. This is a LinkedIn post. Rewrite it as if I want the sender to send me a DM. This is just really random, something I want to say. So let's see how that works. Hi, your insights about experience at a Tesla intern are really valuable to me, and I would love to hear more from it. If you have time, could you send me a DM? I would like to learn about your perspective and the advice you have for those who may consider internet Tesla. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. So to further sort of tailor make your post, just give in the prompt and then it can generate this for you. So now you can copy it. I can hit reply and hit comment and then paste it in. So that's one way for you to use Voila to make any sort of commenting on social media posts. Another use case could be doing like some sort of a summary of a product review. So let's say I want to see all the reviews on AppSumo for Voila. I can just like copy all these texts and then open up Voila, write me the pros and cons of Voila review. Let's say review. So using like as a summary way to see all the customers who bought Voila and come up with their pros and cons. So it's not just the way Voila mentioned their pros and cons, but this is also a summary of all the people who bought their product, and this is all their pros and cons. So this is really useful. And instead of you typing out like, write me the pros and cons of Voila reviews, I can simply go to their custom action button. Yeah, so here it is. You can go into the custom action, just action button here. This is your own sort of your own action. So you can say pros and cons of a product services. And then you can put in summarize all the reviews and give me in list bullet points on the pros and cons. Make it short and precise. So I can create this action. And now going back to AppSumo, I'm going to highlight all the reviews again. So what I can do is hit the Voila command. And previously I put the action name as pros and cons, right? So I'll put in pros and then it can find my custom prompt. So pros and cons of product services. And then I just need to click on it. And this is the pre-prompt I've already made. So pros and cons, make it short and precise. And then I can use this over and over again. So if you need to do summarize of certain things or particular action step workflow, then just go into the preference and then coming up with all your own custom actions. That's going to save you a lot of time. So let's take a look at the Voila's roadmap. So things is in progress right now is the AI assistant. Let's see what that is. I think they want it to be in the chat. I think they need a chatbot type of like how to interact with, as a ChatGPT thing. So that's good. Feature requests are 79. Things are planned. Things are completed. So that's a pretty good list of things they've done. I think they've also got a page where they mention what's new on their platform. Yeah, it's also just in their preference. So what's new? The most recent update is in April 10th, improving Gmail integration. Then they've got the extended free trials, custom actions, conversation history, scheduling Google event. Oh, this is interesting. So if I open up the prompt, if I search for Google, then I can actually create a new Google, well, let's say calendar. Yeah, create a new calendar event or schedule calendar events. Let's see how this works. So I can use this calendar. So I can hit create schedule calendar events. Coffee meeting with Alan on 23rd May 2023, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. at Starbucks IFC Mall. So once you hit enter, it should bring you into your Google Calendar. There we go. And then it should help you create a draft of the calendar event. So coffee meeting with Alan, May 23rd, 1 to 2. Let's say meeting at Alan at IFC Starbucks IFC Mall. So it's not going to be smart enough to put in the location. Let's see if I fine tune it and whether that will work. So I've tried to fine tune the prompt, but it won't put in the actual location. So I'll just leave it at that. Maybe I'll just contact the product owner, the developer, to see if that could be enhanced. I think overall the Voila extension is actually really useful. I think I will be getting at least a tier 1. It really depends if I would be using this heavily. If so, I might just pick up tier 2. So in some cases, I can use the GPT-4 if I want to write like any sort of long form articles. But then I've got the tools to do the long form articles already. So I'll be thinking about whether tier 2 would make sense for me. But at least I will be getting the tier 1. So I hope this quick tutorial, this quick demo was useful for you guys. If you like these kind of content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos. If you have any suggestions for my future videos, please leave a comment down below so I know what you guys are looking for. I hope you have a good day and I'll see you in the next one.